When opening a new Revit model from an architect or an engineer, it generally looks something like this, to where they already have the fixtures placed. However, there aren't any IES files attached to these fixtures. And so what you can do is you can come up to your architecture tab and go to component, and then you can load a family. And then for this instance, I'm just going to load this 2x4 fixture. And then what you can do is you can take this fixture, right click, and then select all instances and an entire project. And then you can edit your type. Scroll down to the 2x4 that I had loaded. And then now all of these fixtures have an IES file attached to them. It did rotate them, and so what you could do is just click your space bar until it gets back to the orientation that you originally had it at. Okay, one more time, and then one more. Great, so they're back in the place that they were. And so this is just one extra step that the architect can take in order to actually create their renderings inside Revit, whereas if you created your rendering before, it would be dark. But so now if you want to take a rendering, you can go up to this house, click the drop down, go to camera, and let's just do it in this view. I'm in here, and then I'll click my teapot down here. And then in this toolbar, I'm going to click interior artificial only, and then render. And it will start my rendering window. Now tell that you have light in the space, and the architect can see visually the light spacing, if you're getting any hot spots on the walls or the ground, essentially.